Bueno, hello, I am Vanessa, Estrellita, Kevin, Luis, and Benito. Let's go to first countries. Mexico and Brazil are two Latin American countries with rich culture and history. They share similarities, roots, and make important differences.
Comparatives. Mexico is older than Brazil in some regions. Football is more popular in the Brazil than in Mexico. The Mexican flag is bigger than the Brazil one. Brazil is bigger than Mexico. Mexico food is spicier than Brazil food.
Superlatives. Brazil has the largest country in South America. Mexico City is one of the biggest cities in the world. Carnival. In Rio is the most famous Brazil. Notas vocabulario. American with Red Bull, Brazilian with Red. Brazil is passionate as Mexico about football. American tradition are colorful as Brazilian homes.
Culture. Mexican culture is very rich and diverse. Music. Samba music is popular in Brazil. Festival, the Day of the Head, traditional Mexican festival. Story is important for both Mexico and Brazil. History. Brazil has a long history of colonization.
Weekend Chichen Itza, where we walk to historical pyramids and records in the Brazil. To show the Mexican records and learning we follow.